Hello all, welcome to this video. Today we are going to continue with the part B of November 2021 question paper of first semester. So in part B, first question, we have to represent the following in matrix form. So we are given with the equation and we have to convert the equation into matrix form. So first let us write down the equation which is given. So we have x minus y plus z equal to 5, 2x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 0 and 4x plus y minus z is equal to 5. So to convert into matrix form, it should be of the form Ax is equal to B. Here x represents the variables which are involved in the equation and B is the solution for the equation. So we can easily write x, that is the variables are x, y, z, and we have B, that is the solution, which are 5, 0, 5. 5, 0, 5. Now to write the value of A, we write the coefficients of x, y and z. So let us write it. So here we have the coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is minus 1, coefficient of z is 1. In the same way here, in the second equation, the coefficient of x is 2, the coefficient of y is 3, coefficient of z is 2, and in the third equation, the coefficient of x is 4 and coefficient of y is 1, z is minus 1. So now we have represented the following form in a matrix way. Now let us write it in terms of this equation, that is Ax is equal to B. So how to write? So in matrix form, we have to write first A, that is 1, 2, 4, minus 1, 3, 1, 1, 2, minus 1 into the x values which are x, y, z, which is equal to B value which is 5, 0, 5. So this is the answer for the question. Now in this question we have to find A inverse and verify your answer. So first let us know what is the formula for finding A inverse. So A inverse is equal to 1 divided by AD minus BC into DA, and here minus C minus B. So this is taken as A, B, C and D. Now using this we can write it as A inverse is equal to 1 divided by AD, which is 24 into 7 minus B into C, which is 15 into 8, into we have to write this value, that is 24, 7 as 7, 24, right? And this value will be as it is, but only we are changing the sign. So here 8 is there, we will put minus 8, and here 15 is there, we will put minus 15. So that will be our A inverse. So on further simplification, we will write on multiplying this value, on multiplying and subtracting, we will get 48, and here it will be 7 minus 15 minus 8, 24. Okay. So on simplifying again, we will write 7 by 48 minus 15 by 48 minus 8 by 48, 24 by 48. So this is the answer. Now in our question we have to find A inverse as well as we have to verify the answer. That is, we have to say that A into A inverse, if we multiply this, we have to get an identity element. That is, it should be of the form 1 0 0 1, right? So let us find this verification as well. Let us write it as A, that is 24, 8, 15, 7, and here A inverse 7 by 48 minus 1 by 6 minus 15 by 48. Here it is 1 by 2. Now multiplying these two values, we will get 24 into 7 by 48 plus 15 into 1 by 6, that is minus 1 by 6. And here we have 24 into minus 15 by 48 plus 15 into 1 by 2. And the same ways 8 into 7 by 48 plus 7 into minus 1 by 6. And here the same way 8 into minus 15 by 48 plus 7 into 1 by 2, right? Now find the answer by simplification. So here it will be, on cancelling we will get 7 by 2, okay, and here on cancelling we will get 5 by 2, okay. So 7 by 2 minus 5 by 2 will give 2 by 2, that means 1, right? So according to our assumption, we have to get A into A inverse as is equal to identity, that is 1 0 0 1. So on verification, if you are getting this answer, then your A inverse is correct. Fine. Okay. So we got 1. So the next value we have to get is 0. So let us check here. So here cancelling we will get 2. Right. So here it is minus 15 by 2 plus 15 by 2. So minus and plus, if you evaluate, you will get 0. So we got the second element 0, the first element 1, right? So the first two is correct. Now coming to the next, here it is 1 and here it is 6. Okay. So according to our verification, the third value we have to get 0, right? So 7 by 6 minus 7 by 6, the answer is what? 0. So we got 0 as well. Next, here again it will be 6, and again on cancellation we will get 5 by 2, right? Minus 5 by 2. So 7 by 2 minus 5 by 2 will give 2 by 2, that means the value is 1. So anyway we got the identity, so that is equal to 5. So hence the result is verified. So hence it is verified. So here the answer we found for A inverse is correct. Okay. So we'll move on to the next one. So here in this question we have to find the determinant using Sarah's method. So we are having the determinant which is 5 1 0, 2 3 minus 1 minus 3 2 0. Okay. Now using Sarah's method we have to find. So for that, first let us write all the values. So 5 2 minus 3, 1 3 2, 0 minus 1 0. Again repeat two columns again. So here 5 2 minus 3, 1 3 2. So now what we are going to do is we are going to find the sum of these values, that is here the first one, this is the second one, okay, and we have this value, that is, so this row just multiply this. So 5, 3 into 0, 0 plus 1 into minus 1 into minus 3. What is the answer here? 1 into minus 1 into minus 3. So 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 into minus 3, that will be equal to 3. Okay. 0 into 2 into 2. So already we have 0 here. So 0 with any number if you multiply, you will again get 0. So just add it together, you will get 3. Same way we have to find the next row. So that is taking this minus 3 into 0. So as you see here, there is a element 0. So 0 multiplied with any number, the value will be 0. 0 plus, then again 2 into minus 1 into 5. So the answer will be what? Minus 10. Then 0 into 2 into 1. So 0 into 2 into 1, what? Anyway, you are having a 0 over here. So 0 multiplied with any kind of numbers, you will again get 0. So adding it all together, you will get minus 2. Now what you have to do is, we are going to, so according to the Saris rule, the formula is sum of lower arrows. So these are the lower arrows. Okay. So lower arrows minus sum of upper arrows. So as you see here, so our lower arrows got the answer 3 and upper arrow got answer minus 10. So we can calculate it as minus 3 minus of minus 10. So that will be what? Minus 3, sorry, here it is plus 3 only. Okay, so 3 plus 10. So here the determinant of A is 13. So the determinant of A value is 13, which is the answer. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Now let us move on to the next problem. So in this question, we have two parts. In the first part of the question, we have to evaluate the derivative of e power x power 4. Okay. So first let us find the derivative. So d by dx of e power x power 4. So whenever you differentiate e power x, you will get the e power x itself, right? So here we will get e power x power 4, and then we have to again differentiate the power term. So in the power, in the exponential power, you have x power 4. So differentiating this, what you will get? E power x power 4 into 4x cube, right? So here the answer is, the derivative of e power x power 4 is equal to 4x cube into e power x power 4, which is the answer. Now let us move on to the second part of this question. So in the second part, we are given with log value, that is log of log x, where x is greater than 1. So here also we have to find the derivative, that is d by dx of log x. Now, whenever we differentiate log x, you will get 1 by x, right? So we can calculate this as log of x. So let us consider this as x. So log of x means you will get 1 divided by log x, and again differentiating the x term. X term is what? Here log x. So log x, we will get what? 1 divided by log x and differentiating log x again, it will be 1 by x. So the answer will be 1 by x into log x. So this is the answer for the derivative. So this is the questions we have solved for part B. So I hope you understood this. So thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.